During the period of January to November 2024, we saw a 23% increase in total cruise ship arrivals over the same period for the previous year. And this has been confirmed certainly by our Barbados Statistical Department, and they reported a total of 125 cruise arrivals for the period January to November 2024, over 114 cruise arrivals for the same period. The luxury segment of the cruise industry will certainly continue to be a critical target audience of our overall tourism marketing strategy. Based on aggressive marketing activities to position Barbados as a premier port destination in the southeastern Caribbean. We look forward to welcoming more luxury yachts like the Ritz-Carlton, Ilma, to Barbados.